Billyjack on location, this time at Sacred Hearts Academy. It's a lovely, lovely campus back here. I'm not sure what time frame this building dates from. Lovely old world feel to it. Sunken in area back here. Just wanted to get a good look at. Lovely courtyard. Sacred Hearts Academy. Wow. Interesting over there. Windows below ground. Bricked up windows. Interesting slope. It's the exact opposite of the slope you'll see on most buildings out here. This structure here I believe to be fairly new. Come around here to the front of the building itself. Grand entrance with three arches, the three arches once again. Staircase going way up in this case. Windows below the pavement level here. Beautiful courtyard out here as well. We have another building here. Same situation. Quite a ways down here. About more than 10 feet, maybe 12, 15 feet to the bottom. We have a very large mountain valley in front of us. Here we have a 1931 October 17th cornerstone, if you can call it that. Everything from the 1930s being founded out here. Again, windows below ground, all the way down. How far down do you think that goes? Closest hillside is going to be that right there. Not that far. Right on the other side of that roof of that truck. It's that's where the mud would have come from in this case, possibly. The slope is interesting to the building. That's as good as I could get for y'all. Billyjack over and out. Academy of the Sacred Heart.